What's up, everyone? I just received my first pair of Bangin headlights. They are 7-inch Restomod LEDs that are going to be going on this 79 Camaro. And I wanted to take a quick moment before I get to the application here on replacing these headlights to do an unboxing, so you can be better informed on what to expect when receiving the product. I'm curious to see how the product is actually packaged in its long travel from Australia to get here to the United States. So let's get into this unboxing and see what we got here. I do want to mention that I really do like the branding that they have on the tape to brand the actual packaging, and also like that they indicate that there are fragile objects contained within these boxes. So we got some packaging in here, some stuffers. We have some paper to help hold the headlight in place, and it is clearly in bubble wrap, and it also is in a groove here to hold the headlight in place. But lo and behold, here is the headlight I purchased. And what else do we have in here? This is how it was being held inside this housing. And it looks like I also got something else. More components for hooking up the headlights. This is for the setup I purchased, which is for having the RGB option that you can purchase to have the headlights be colorful. And looks like I got a decal, which is nice, and a nice air freshener. And as of right now, I don't know yet, but I also received these, what I'm going to be using those for my install. But in a nutshell, that's what I received in this box. Now it's empty. My assumption is that I'm also going to receive the same thing in here, minus, of course, the air freshener and the decal. But I'll open that up too and see what we got in there. Alright, so similar to the first packaged similar way. We got fill in here. I like how they packaged the extra fill here on the sides. Take that out. And again, we have this beautiful headlight. Can't wait to put this on the car. It's going to give this car a whole different look, a nice modern look as well. And looks like in this package, I have my instructions. You can see that. Let's take it out of here. More decals. Another different type of decal. Another air freshener. And look at this. I have my, of course, instructions and a general note here, but I received a handwritten card from George at Bangin Headlights, which is awesome. You don't see stuff like this too often anymore. This is a great personal touch for, I think, for the brand, and to me, it speaks volumes. So that's it on the unboxing. I thought overall everything that was included and how the product was packaged was done very well. I thought that there was great care in putting in some of the extra goodies, of course, that lots of people like to see and receive. But the cool thing was the personal touch of the card that I took out there at the end, and thought that that was just awesome on George's part for doing that, and makes me even that much more excited of getting this product on my Camaro.